Wi-Fi roaming is a client-side decision, but infrastructure assistance via 802.11k, V and R is essential to make it reliable. The sticky client problem is the most common roaming failure, degrading airtime for the entire wireless cell. First, enable all three roaming standards together. 802.11k eliminates active scanning, reducing AP discovery to under 10 milliseconds. Second, prune legacy data rates by setting a BSS minimum rate of 12 or 24 megabits per second, one of the most impactful configuration changes. Third, verify that adjacent APs overlap at -67 decibels or stronger at cell boundaries. Fourth, use over-the-air multi-channel packet capture to look for reassociation requests and status code 0ASE0 for healthy roams. Fifth, deploy 3 separate SSIDs for enterprise, guest, and legacy devices to prevent incompatibility from degrading the primary network. Read the full guide at purple.ai.